How's it going, everyone? Today we have this VLS182K soft video lighting kit, and stay to the end because I'm going to show you how to light up a scene using this kit, and we're going to jump right into the unboxing here. Now, I've had a couple of Releno items, and I got to say one of the biggest things that I like about this company is the way they package up their lights. This light was sent over to me by the people over at Releno, but I will be completely honest with my comments and my review. So we're going to go ahead and open that up. Right off the bat, the first thing that we're going to find is the manuals for the video lighting kit and the selfie stand manual as well. This case is really well foamed and padded, and the lights are really well protected inside this case. Here is that first light. We have the thread at the bottom here, and then in the back, we have a screen display here, and then we have the input, and then we also have the on and off switch, the color temperature wheel, and a brightness wheel. And then again, there's two of these lights as this is a kit. So here's that second light. It's the same exact light, same thread at the bottom, as well as the same controls in the back. Next, we have the chargers for the light. There will be two of these chargers. And then we have these plastic attachments here where the lights will actually attach to the stands. And that leads me to the stands themselves. These stands are made out of really high quality plastic and also really high quality metal. Now, the bag for this lighting kit, it's actually super high quality, and when comparing it to a bag from another lighting kit that I own, there's just no comparison. The Releno bag is way better. And here's a side-by-side view that gives you an idea of the structure in comparison to that other bag. We're going to be taking a closer look at the controls here in the back and the display. First off, we have the on and off button, and then up at the very top, we have the brightness wheel. Here, of course, it goes from 0 to 100. And then we have the color temperature wheel here as well, so you can dial in your preferred color settings. And then we also have the input here that charges the internal battery, and the indicator for the battery level is up here. So let's move on to the setup of the selfie stick. It's really simple compared to other selfie sticks. You unscrew the knobs, and then you just pull on two of the legs just like this, and then we're gonna tighten everything up here. And then it has three extendable sections. Here's that first bottom section, then the second section here, and then lastly this third section that extends at a really good height. To mount the light, we're gonna be removing this cap here from this thread, and then we're going to be taking that clip and we're going to be screwing that on the top of this just like this. Now, you want to make sure that it's screwed all the way down, including this wheel. And then we're going to line up the thread and the hole to the clip here. And then we're going to make sure that we screw that on securely by turning this little wheel here. Now, with this clip, you're able to tilt the light down or up. Now, I want y'all to take a look at how thin these lights actually are compared to another softbox lighting kit that I own. This is particularly important for me because this room that I'm shooting in is really small, so having a smaller footprint when it comes to lighting is really important for me. Here, I'm going to show you how I light up my scenes using this video lighting kit. The first thing that I want to do is I want to turn off all of the lights and start with the blank canvas. And then I'm going to power on the first light that's going to serve as my key light. This light is set up at a 45-degree angle above me. And notice how it starts giving off the shadows on my right side. So therefore, I'm going to turn on a fill light, which is the second light here. So this light will help soften up some of those shadows that we were seeing with just one light on. And this will provide a more balanced scene. So that's what it looks like with just these two lights on, but we're going to go ahead and take it up a level by using something that's called practical lighting. These lights bring in a little bit of color to the scene. This could be a lamp that you already own, or your monitor in the background, or perhaps some LED lights around your desk. And practical lighting would help provide more visual interest to your shots. All in all, this video lighting kit by Releno is the kit that I've been looking for my setup and for recording in a small room like I do. So if you're looking for a powerful set of video lights that are versatile, that are bright, I definitely do recommend this video lighting kit.